Okay, this is part 2 of the found computer. We're going to install, first we're going to power it off and unplug it, because we're putting something in. Now I'm not going to screw this thing in, like I'm not going to bolt these in yet, because this isn't permanent. So we got a 240 gig SSD. And a good old 500 gig Western Digital Blue. We're going to put that on top right here. I'm going to ask my wife putting the drives installing in such a fashion. Well, you don't want to heat up the SSD because the hard drive, if you don't have it set for power saving, the thing's going to be on all the time and it's going to reduce the lifespan of your SSD. So you don't want that happening. You know what I think we're going to need to do is we're going to have to chop this. Okay, which one now? This is number 3. This is number 3. And this is 2. Wow, I really got to do something about my eyes. Okay, look again, because let's say the 1. You know what? Let's fool around with this. Let's after we boot up, because I want to find out. Let's just go and okay. Say to 1, right? Say to 1. Okay. Okay, let's go on a limb. I don't like that, actually. Okay. On the bottom. Bye. Now we need power. We'll give you power. Shoot, we're going to have to move you up 1 more. I'm going to get you as far away from the hard drive as possible. Okay. Now, okay, you've got power, data connection. You don't have power, and you don't have data connection. So there's your power. You know what? Let's disconnect the optical. And use the hard drive. Okay. Alright. Alright, next up. Booting.